Welcome to My Math Plus. I am Mohammed Ali, mathematics teacher. Today we try to solve some question from Cambridge IGCSE Additional Mathematics course book. From this book, from Trigonometry chapter, we try to solve some maths. Exercise 9.6, chapter 9, Trigonometry. We will solve question number 4. Solve each of these equations for the given domains. Number A, cos bracket x minus 30 degree equals to minus 0.5 for x greater than equals to 0 degree, less than equals to 360 degree. Now, try to do 9.6, question number 4, A, cos x minus 30 degree equals to minus 0.5 for x greater than equals to 0 degree, less than equals to 360 degree. At first, we have to ensure our calculator is in degree mode. Okay. Now, we have to rearrange this domain. Here, x minus 30 degrees. So, if we subtract 30 degree here, we have to subtract 30 degree here also, and also 30 degree subtract from 360 degree. So it will be 330 degree. So for this math, our domain will be minus 30 to 330 degree. Now x minus 30 degree equals to minus cos inverse 0.5. So it will be 60 degree. So minus 60 degree. X minus 30 degree will be minus 60 degree. Now we will check from the quadrant where cos is negative. We have to remember we will start from minus 30 to 330 degree. Here where cos is negative. Cos is negative in the second quadrant and also in the third quadrant. If we want to get the result in the second quadrant, we have to subtract the acute angle 60 degree from 180 degree. So result will be 120 degree, and also we have to add 60 degree with 180 degree because this time it will come in the third quadrant. So result will be 240 degree. Finally, we get x minus 30 degree equals to 120 degree and x minus 30 degree equals to 240 degree. So finally, x equals to 150 degree because when 30 come in the right side, it will be addition, and here x will be 270 degree. Answer, x equals to 150 degree and 270 degree. Question number 4A completed. Number B, 6 sine bracket 2x plus 45 degree equals to minus 5 for x greater than equals to 0 degree, less than equals to 180 degree. So we have to rearrange this domain. Here it is 2x plus 45. So if we multiply 2, here also multiply 2, here also multiply 2, it will be 360 degrees, 0 to 360 degrees. Now if we add 45 here, we have to add 45 also over there. If we add here 45, it will be 405 degrees. So for this maths, our interval or domain will be 45 degree to 405. Now sine 2x plus 45 degree equals to minus 5 by 6. So 2x plus 45 degree equals to minus sine inverse 5 by 6. Now we'll get here minus 56.44 degree. 2x plus 45 degree. Now we'll check where sign is negative. Sign is negative in the third quadrant and fourth quadrant. If you want to get the result in the third quadrant, we have to add acute angle, that means 56.44 with 180 degree, and here we'll get 236.44. And we also subtract this acute angle from 360 degree. 56.44, if we subtract, we'll get here 303.6. Now 2x plus 45, one result we get 236.44, and here 2x plus 45 equals to 303.6. Now if you want to get the x value, 236.44 minus 45 divided by 2, the result will come 95.72. And here also x equals to 303.6 minus 45 divided by 2. So result come 129.3 degree. So both of these are the answer, x value. Question number 3, C. This is C. 2 cos bracket 2x by 3 bracket close plus root 3 equals to 0 for x greater than equals to 0 degree less than equals to 540 degree. So our first duty, we have to rearrange this domain. Here 2x by 3. So if we multiply here by 2 by 3, and it's also multiplied by 2 by 3, it will be 0. If we multiply here by 2 by 3, 540 degree. So our final domain will be 2 by 3x greater than equals to 0 degree less than equals to 360 degree. Now we try to solve this. 2 cos 2x by 3 equals to minus root 3 cos 2x by 3 equals to minus root 3 by 2, and 2x by 3 equals to minus cos inverse root 3 by 2. So it will come here minus 30 degree. Now we will check where cos is negative. Cos is negative in the second quadrant and third quadrant. So if we want to get the result in the second quadrant, we have to subtract this acute angle from 180 degree. We'll get here 150 degree. And also we have to add this acute angle with 180 degree. We'll get here 210 degree. So finally, 2x by 3 equals to 150 degree and 2x by 3 equals to 210 degree. If you want to get the value of x, x will be 225 and here x will be 315 degree. So these are the answer. So x equals to 225 degree and 315 degree. Number C completed. Question number D, cos bracket x plus pi by 6 equals to minus 0.5 for x greater than 0 less than 2 pi radians. One thing is very important. Now you have to rearrange your calculator in radian mode, and after that rearrange the domain. Here x greater than 0 less than 2 pi. So we have to add pi by 6. So here will be pi by 6. Here will be, if we add here pi by 6, it will be 13 pi by 6. Now what this means, our interval will be, our domain will be x plus pi by 6 greater than pi by 6 and less than 13 pi by 6. Now x plus pi by 6 equals to minus cos inverse 0.5. So it will become minus 1.05. Now we have to check in this interval where cos is negative. Cos is negative in the second quadrant and third quadrant. If we want to get result in the second quadrant, we have to subtract this acute angle from pi, because from here to here pi. So pi minus 105 will get here 2.09. And if you want to get the result in the third quadrant, the house of 10, we have to add this acute angle with pi. So pi plus 1.05. So finally, okay, so here from here x equals to 2.09 minus pi by 6. So it will be 1.57. And here x equals to, if you add, we will get here 4.19. So x equals to 4.19 minus pi by 6. So it will be 3.67. Final answer, x equals to 1.57 and another answer 3.67. Question number E. Sine bracket 2x minus 3 equals to 0.6 for x greater than 0 less than pi. So we have to rearrange this interval, this domain. So if we multiply here by 2, it will be 0 to 2 pi. Now if we subtract 3, here also minus 3, here also 2 pi minus 3. So for this maths, our interval will be minus 3 to 2 pi minus 3. Now, 2x by 3 equals to sine inverse 0.6. So it will be 0.64. Now we'll check where sine is positive. Sine is positive in the first quadrant and second quadrant. So 2x minus 3, this result in the first quadrant, and in the second quadrant we have to subtract this acute angle 0.64 from pi. We will get here 2.50. So finally 2x minus 3 equals to 0.64 and 2x minus 3 equals to 2.50. So x equals to 0.64 plus 3 divided by 2. So we'll get here 1.82. Here x equals to 2.50 plus 3 divided by 2. So result will be 2.75. Final answer, x equals to 1.82 and 2.75. Number E completed. F number, root over 2 multiply sine bracket x by 2 plus pi by 6 bracket close equals to 1 for x greater than 0 less than 4 pi radians. So we have to rearrange this domain. If we multiply by half, we will get here x by 2, here 0, here it will be 2 pi. After that, if we add here pi by 6, we have to add also here pi by 6. If we add here pi by 6, we will get here 13 pi by 6. So for this maths, our interval will be, our domain will be x by 2 plus pi by 6 greater than pi by 6 and less than 13 pi by 6. Now, sine x by 2 plus pi by 6 equals to 1 by root 2. So x by 2 plus pi by 6 equals to sine inverse 1 by root 2. We'll get here 0.79. So sine is positive in the first quadrant and also second quadrant. So from here, if you want to get the value of x equals to, this is the first quadrant. And if you want to get the result in the second quadrant, we have to subtract this 0.79 from pi. So pi minus 0.79. So from here, if we get x 0.79 minus pi by 6 multiply 2. So final answer will be 0.533. And here, x equals to 2.35 minus pi by 6 multiply by 2. So final answer 3.66. So answer will be x equals to 0.533 and 3.67. So I think everybody understood all of these maths. Here one thing is very important. We arrange this domain, and keep in mind when you are doing the in the interval in the degree mode, your calculator you will be arranged as a degree mode. If you want to solve the maths in radian mode, you have to rearrange your calculator in radian modes. So maths is easy. We just observe it and step by step try to solve it. Still, if you have any confusion, feel free to contact with me. I will try my level best to help you. Please subscribe my channel. How far you live does not matter. How you learn maths matter. Thanks a lot.